Hello world, welcome to our channel Routine Info, where you can boost your knowledge. Let's get started today's topic. For more info you can visit our blog routineinfo.com. How to make a free healthy life expert. Becoming a free healthy life expert involves taking steps to improve your own health and wellness while also sharing your knowledge and experiences with others. Here are some steps you can take to become a free healthy life expert. 1. Educate yourself. Start by educating yourself on different aspects of health and wellness, such as nutrition, exercise, stress management, and sleep. Read books, articles, and scientific studies on these topics to gain a deeper understanding. 2. Practice what you preach. Implement healthy habits into your own life, such as exercising regularly, eating a balanced diet, and getting enough sleep. By living a healthy lifestyle, you can serve as a positive role model for others. 3. Share your knowledge. Use social media, blogs, or other platforms to share your knowledge and experiences with others. You can also volunteer at local community centers, schools, or hospitals to offer your expertise in person. 4. Stay up to date. Stay informed about the latest research and trends in health and wellness. Attend conferences, webinars, and seminars to continue learning and expanding your knowledge. 5. Build a network. Connect with other health experts, organizations, and professionals to build a network of support and resources. Collaborate on projects, share ideas, and learn from each other. Becoming a free healthy life expert takes time and dedication, but by following these steps, you can make a positive impact on your own life and the lives of others. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further updates. For more info, you can visit our blog routineinfo.com.